Hello and welcome to Callisto's live YouTube channel. Before we get started, links down below for all the socials. So Twitch is where I live trade Monday to Friday from 10 p.m. Australian Eastern Daytime, which is about 1 hour before New York Open. So if you click that link, hit the follow button, and you'll also be notified when I go live by Twitch as well, if you have the app or whatever. YouTube, obviously, if you like the content, subscribe, like the videos, comment what any ideas you guys would like me to go over, maybe a different pair or any pair that you trade or things like that. If you have any ideas for content, then let me know in the comments. Twitter is where I post some daily analysis, as well as TikTok in just a much shorter version. So yeah, those are the socials. Let's get into the video. So looking at let's go to GJ first of all. Oh, sorry, let me do that. Let's go to GJ. Yesterday, if you would have watched yesterday's analysis videos, whether that's on Twitter, whether that's on TikTok, or whether that's here on YouTube, you would have seen that I was looking for buys above, and I did have my buy stops, like I said in those videos as well. God, I can't. There we go. So I would have had my buys around 170028. If you go back and look at those videos from yesterday, you will see that. And so this is where I got triggered into that trade right here yesterday, and this was London Open pretty much. Sorry. So yeah, this was the trade on GJ. I did end up taking my profits at around about 56 pips, which was like the top of this wick right here, as it was the closure of the 4-hour candle and the opening of a new 4-hour candle. So usually when that happens, you get like a pullback like this to create like the bottom wick on the 4-hour time frame. And then if it was going to continue up, I would have re-entered a position on GJ, which I was looking for over here above 170652. But that obviously that didn't happen. We came down a little bit. But yeah, those were the buys on GJ. Beautiful buys, like I said, analyzed on yesterday's video on Twitter and on TikTok, and also live on Twitch as well. I was waiting for these other buys here on GJ, but that didn't happen. So beautiful buys in the end. Price is trending up, right? We had this move to the upside, consolidation, and then continuation to the upside as price is in an uptrend, and we break out this resistance and continue bullish. Sorry. So yeah, looking at today, I am still looking at buys potentially above. I have my buy stops somewhere around 170029, around in that area. I'll set my buy stops within the next 10-15 minutes. And as long as it doesn't break this level over here, I will leave those buy stops. But if price breaks below this bottom wick right here at 169568, then I will no longer be looking for buys at that point. I will be looking at sells, but that will be then more into New York session. But yeah, if we bounce off this level right here without breaking this low to the left, like I said, at 169568, then we should continue up, and I will have my buy stops right at this level, and it will look something like this for continuation for this trend to the upside, something like that. So that's GJ. Beautiful trade on GJ, and I'm awaiting some more buys here within the next 10-15 minutes. Looking at EURUSD, same thing on EURUSD. If you watch yesterday's videos, you would have seen my buy stops that were above this level right here at 099640 in that area. And so those did get triggered in, and price went up again for a 1 to 3, both 1 to 3 risk reward trades. So both risking 1% and made 3%. So it was a total of 6% yesterday of my account balance. And then I talked about this live on the stream, and if you go back to yesterday's stream and you go right to the end, you will see that I did say I am looking at buys above here, above 1.00508, but I did end stream before this happened. I didn't take this trade because it was past 1 a.m., but I did say to everybody, definitely keep an eye on this, and it worked out beautiful in the end. Pretty much tapped the 1 to 3 almost in there. So 15 pips stop, 45 pip take profit. It hit 43 pips, so pretty much a 1 to 3 trade right there. And again today, within the next 10 minutes or so, I will be looking at buys above let me see 1.00874, and I will have buy stop set here in the next 10 minutes, like I said. And we'll see if price wants to continue bullish here. There is some news, ECB interest rate decision, Europe Central Bank, and then we have some 2 high impact news pretty close to each other, but that isn't until about 11 p.m. tonight for me, so quite a while away yet. Around about 8 hours or so. So yeah, I'm looking for continuation buys here on EU and also on GJ. But like I said, if as soon as EJ breaks 169.568, which it could potentially do within the next couple of minutes, then I will no longer be looking for buys above this level. I will just be focused on buys on Euro USD above this level, or potentially even above, maybe above this level would be a bit more cleaner as we break the highs over there. What's this? 10 or so pips. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, probably above here, 1.00968 on Euro USD for buys at this point. So yeah, that is today's video. Again, just a quick one. If you have any ideas for other kind of content that you want to see, if you want to see me analyze any other pairs, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Help me grow. The videos have been getting some decent views, and I've been getting a couple subscribers, so I really appreciate all the love. Yesterday we hit 50 followers or 51 followers on Twitch, which enables me to then apply for affiliate eventually. I'm waiting for all those stats to update on Twitch over there. So yesterday's stream was amazing. Had loads of people come through talking, loads of new people, new traders, experienced traders, people sharing analysis, people sharing trades that they're entering, things like that. Had a lot of cool chats while on stream, so definitely check that out. I will be live tonight at 10 p.m. Australian Eastern Daytime, 1 hour before New York Open. So yeah, I think that is about it. So I will see you guys tonight on stream, or I'll see you tomorrow for the next video on how today went. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.